Hey curly, so this is my braid out tutorial. I created 4 braids using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in, styling lotion and the Big Hair moisture butter, and I left that in overnight until it was dry. And now the next day I'm just going to use some Eco Styler gel to style up the edges, and then some coconut oil on my fingertips just to unravel the braids. And this just makes sure that you don't create any frizz and it's nice and shiny and moisturized throughout the taking down process. So I'm not going to take them down completely, I'm going to leave them about halfway, just before they leave my scalp. As you can see, they're like big cane rows, so I just release the bottom parts and then I'm going to create a style with it. You also want to be really careful when you're unraveling, because if you just do it anyhow, you're going to create frizz, and frizz equals less definition, and you really want that definition with a braid out because that's the whole point. So I'm grabbing the first braid section and I'm just going to twist it, and it naturally goes in that direction. The same with the other side of my hair, and then I'm going to grab them and just use bobby pins to secure them at the back of my hair, so it becomes like a half up half down style. And then I'm going to separate some of the curls just to make them a bit more uniform and not as thick. So I thought I'd show you guys how I do my everyday makeup, which is very basic, so do not judge me. This is just what I do on a regular. So I'm using the Bourjois Paris Healthy Mix foundation in light bronze, and then I go in with my brow mousse from Tarte, which I absolutely love. It is in the colour medium brown, and it comes with this brush as well, so it's really easy to apply and it looks very natural, which is what I really like about it. I will leave the links to everything below. Next I'm using the Bare Minerals foundation, but I use it as like a contour and bronzer. Next I'm going in with a eyeshadow from MAC. It's quite old, it is Roulet Matte, and it's like an orangey colour, but it looks really natural, so I like to use that just to jazz up my eyes a bit. And then I'm using an eyeliner, which I don't live without, I always use eyeliner, and that's just from my local hair shop, and the white one is from Superdrug as well, just a basic one. This is my favourite new mascara. It is from Tarte again, and it's the Gifted mascara. Tarte is a really good brand, it does use natural ingredients and it's much better for you. Next is the Palmer's lip balm, which I absolutely love. It's actually called Flip Balm. And this is a highlighter palette from Revolution, which I got from Superdrug at an event, which I love. And then again the Tarte Amazonian lipstick in the colour Pink Peony. And then that's that, my get ready with me routine with a braid out. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!